Down news dictation 71 new para. Senior Judge of the Supreme Court Justice Syed Mansoor Ali Shah has emphasized the need for collective efforts to create a compassionate and just system for children. Full stop. He was speaking at the launch event of Reimagine Justice for Children in Pakistan. Full stop. The Voice of Children, comma, a joint initiative by the Federal Judicial Academy FJA and UNICEF, comma, on Saturday. Full stop. In his insightful discourse on domestication of global framework on justice for children, comma, Justice Shah highlighted the importance of raising awareness, comma, prioritizing rehabilitation over retribution, comma, and dispelling myths. Full stop. New para. Sensitizing the judges of the district judiciary and other attendees, comma, Justice Shah said, colon, the best interest of our children should be our prime consideration. Full stop. We need to be more sensitive about our children, comma, and judges must familiarize themselves with the UNCRC and other international instruments to better reach out to children. Full stop. Our constitution is also strong and robust in safeguarding child rights. Full stop. Moreover, comma, there is a lot of wisdom in our religion Islam that protects children. Full stop. New para. Justice Shah referred to Justice Jamal Khan, comma, who was also present at the event, comma, and emphasized the need to interpret Article 11, comma, which deals with children. Full stop. I cannot interpret it now, comma, but you can, comma, since you are in the constitutional bench, comma, Justice Shah said, comma, adding that he was sorry to keep repeating this, comma, but felt compelled to do so. Full stop. I can't interpret this. Full stop. Justice Shah also emphasized the importance of establishing child courts across the country, comma, stating that child justice should be a significant priority. Full stop. Children are not just our future, semicolon, they are our present as well, comma, and therefore, comma, we need to take stock of things right now. Full stop. New para. The judge emphasized the importance of listening to children, comma, something that is often neglected. Full stop. We should be listening to children, comma, which we usually don't interact with, comma, he said. Full stop. He stressed that whenever a child appears in court, comma, judges should talk to them, comma, listen to them, comma, and allow them to participate in court proceedings. Full stop. He regretted that this was not the norm. Full stop. He also called for reintegrating children into society, comma, stating that it was critical. Full stop. You cannot treat children like ordinary adults, comma, Justice Shah said. Full stop. He recalled how the first child court was established separately in Lahore. Full stop. The concept behind this was to prevent children from passing through the ordinary judicial system, comma, as they were in their formative years. Full stop. The end.